Excuse me, sir. Can you help me? I'm trying to find a taxi to take me to a hotel.
Of course, my friend. I can help you with that. Welcome to India, by the way. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I'm excited to explore, but I must admit, I'm a bit nervous navigating the streets on my own.
Don't worry, you're in good hands now. Let's find you a taxi. Just be cautious, as some drivers might try to overcharge you because you're a foreigner.
That's what I'm worried about. I've heard stories of tourists being scammed by taxi drivers. I don't want that to happen to me.
I understand. Let's approach this taxi over here. He looks trustworthy. Excuse me, sir. My friend here needs a ride to a hotel. Can you take him there?
Yes, of course. Where are you headed, sir?
I'm staying at the Taj Hotel. How much would the fare be?
For you, sir, it will be 1,000 rupees.
1,000 rupees? That seems quite high. Can we negotiate the price?
Sir, the traffic is heavy today and the hotel is quite far. 1,000 rupees is a fair price.
I understand, but I've done some research and I know that the usual fare is around 500 rupees. Can you consider lowering the price?
Okay, I can do 800 rupees for you.
How about 600 rupees?
Sir, I cannot go lower than 750 rupees. It's already a discounted price for you.
All right, 750 rupees it is then. Thank you. Thank you so much for your help, Raj. I appreciate it.
No problem, my friend. I'm glad I could assist you. Just remember, always negotiate the price before getting into a taxi, and don't be afraid to walk away if the price is too high.
Got it. Thanks for the advice. Now, let's get going to the hotel. Here you go, Ramesh. Thank you for the ride.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your stay in India.